Drop it. Drop. Hey, watch out, Heaney. Back up, Heaney. Drop it. Okay, good. Shots fired, 6602. Start fire, board suspect down. All right, let's run.
In just a few brief seconds, this police chief made a catastrophic decision. Those fatal shots permanently took the life of a man right in front of his mother. On Tuesday, September 30th, 2025, at approximately 4:55 p.m., police officers responded to the 6600 block of Greenland Street in Riverdale, Maryland, to investigate a stabbing that had occurred earlier that day in Chevrolet. The following footage was recorded by a body-worn camera worn by an officer with the Prince George's County Police Department.
He just went in the house, Heaney. He just went into the house.
Wait. Okay, I'm the mother. Wait.
Step back. He's coming out. He's coming out. Yo. Drop it. Drop it.
The individual was later identified as Tesfa Leith, 45, a resident of Riverdale, Maryland.
Drop. Hey, watch out, Heaney. Back up, Heaney. Drop it. Okay, good. Shots fired, 6602. Start fire, board suspect down. All right, let's render. Get the knives. Get the knives, Heaney. Hey, get a tech kit. Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit.
I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's two of them. I don't know where the other one's at. All right, right behind him.
Here.
129, Chevrolet 1 deployed. Suspects down. We're rendering aid at this time. All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
Can we start CPR?
Just get her, Brian.
I got you. Stay back, man.
129, everybody's good. We have 3 witnesses on scene. We're holding on to them. And we have the 7As secure. Just hang tight, sir. We're going to need to talk to you and stuff, okay? Is there anybody else inside the house? Okay.
Despite life-saving efforts, Leith ultimately succumbed to his injuries. The following video was recorded by the body-worn camera of a Prince George's County Police Department officer, who served as a secondary witness.
Wait.
All right, we're waiting.
Okay, I'm the mother. Wait. What's going on?
Spence, you want to go?
Get the out of the way, lady! Drop it!
He's got a knife! Get the...
Hey! Get the knife. Get the knife. Hey, get a tech kit! Hey, get your med kit. Get your med kit.
I can't see the other one, Webb. Where is it?
There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at.
We need a chest seal, chest.
My med kit. In my back. Pull it up. Pull it to the side.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Just breathe.
Stay with
Just
us,
breathe.
man. We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
Okay. We start CPR. Stay with us, buddy. Stay with us. Got one in the arm.
According to police, the man advanced toward officers while holding 2 knives. Officers repeatedly ordered him to drop the weapons, but he did not comply. A Prince George's County Police Department officer deployed a taser, but it was ineffective, ultimately leading to a fatal police shooting. 2 knives were later recovered at the scene. The following video footage was recorded by the body-worn camera of a third witness officer of the Prince George's Police Department.
Don't come up here, man. I'm gonna go on the backside, Sarge. He's challenged him. He's got a knife! Get the with you!
Back now.
Oh my goodness. I got my med kit. Hey, my backside, pull my med kit out. Look. Here. There. My back kit, my med kit is in my back. Pull it out. Pull it to the side.
All right, we're good, everybody.
You're all right, buddy. You're all right. Stay with us, man.
We have 3 witnesses that we need to make sure we hang on to. The second knife's over here, so we're good with that.
You want me to start CPR?
Leith's family said watching the video was deeply painful. His sister, Shalitha, told reporters in a phone interview that the entire encounter was wrong from beginning to end, adding that she hopes the officer involved will be held accountable, as her brother did not deserve to die in that manner. The following video footage was recorded by the body-worn camera of a 4th witness officer of the Prince George's Police Department.
Put the knife down.
And that is everything captured by the body-worn cameras from multiple officers' perspectives at the scene. The incident may be over, but the outrage is not. This fatal decision was not made by an inexperienced officer, but by a police chief with nearly 4 decades in law enforcement. And that is exactly why the public anger runs so deep. With that level of experience, he should have been the voice of restraint, the one ordering de-escalation, not pulling the trigger. Instead, in just a matter of seconds, a choice was made, and the cost was Tesfa Leith's life, taken right in front of his family. What do you think about this incident? Leave your opinion in the comments below so we can continue the discussion.